Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is iCollect. In today's video, we're going to do an automatic 360 and do some Magic the Gathering cards. I've never opened Magic. It's been a long time since I even thought of opening it. But they did a Lord of the Rings set. It's called Tales of Middle-earth. Got 10 packs here, waiting to check it out and see what we can get. These are all, I don't really know anything about Magic the Gathering, but thought I'd do something new for the channel and, and see what these cards look like and everything. And there's the back of the pack. So I don't know anything about these cards. The hype is crazy over this release here. So I thought I'd give it a shot and see what we can get. So we got 10 packs here, like I said, and hopefully we can get something cool. So, all right, shot in the dark here, I guess. First pack here. So, hopefully there's some cool cards in these. So we'll see. All right, first pack here. All right, don't know what that is. What is this? All right, Middle-earth Art Series. Interesting. So if that's a good card, let me know. It's numbered on the back there. That is pretty interesting. I don't know what that is. I'll set that over there. So we got Island. Basic Island card there. Wow, the art on these are incredible, man. Check that out. That looks cool. Dundane Blade. It's an artifact equipment card there. Improvised Club. Lash of Balrog. That's sweet. Love the Balrog in the story. Long list of Ints. Those are the tree guys in the story. Intish Restoration. Another one of the Ints there. Nice. Elrond, Lord of Rivendell. Nice art on these cards. Flame of the West. Sauron's Trickery. Foil card there. Wow, these are sweet. Last card. Okay, I don't know if that's the rare or not. I haven't done too much research on these. Actually, I've done no research on these. So, I don't know what's good and what's what or anything. But we got a foil card, so that's cool. Sauron's Trickery. I think that is a... That looks like a uncommon foil there. And then this must be that's just a common. Okay. So nice. We'll just set that over here and that right over there next to that card there. So I know if we don't get another one of those, that must be a good card, I guess. Oh, no. But next pack here. Very cool. Don't know too much about this, like I said, but so far it's pretty cool. Okay, so we got another one of those, so I don't think these are too rare to get, honestly. Okay. Nice. Those are cool. There might be like... Okay, so there's 81 of these art series cards. Okay, that makes sense. So we got two different kinds. Okay, so there's an island card. Mordor. One of the orcs. Spearmaster. Lancer. Shortcut to Mushrooms. We got 3 hobbits there. That's sweet. Turn on some extra light there. Alright, we got Ring Sight. That looks sweet. Just an uncommon there. Fury Inscription. Morgul Lieutenant. Nice. Press the Enemy. Gothmog Morgul Lieutenant. Foil card there. Just an uncommon. We got that card there. Alright. Sweet. Alright, next pack here. So if you guys do like the Magic videos, go ahead and let me know. And we're probably going to open some more of this on the channel, so get some more packs going here for you to see on the channel. Alright, next pack here. Whoa, what is this? That looks signed. If you guys know what that is, let me know. That looks cool, man. Interesting. Yeah, I don't know anything about these, but that looks pretty interesting. Forest. Shire Scarecrow. Nice. Shire Turrets. Turrets. Revive the Shire. Brandywine Farmer. One of the orcs there. Eckerbrand, Lord of Westfold. Legendary creature. That is just an uncommon. Prince. I'm Rothil of Fair. Okay. We got Strider, Ranger of the North. Nice. Awen. Nice. She's just an uncommon. Got Balrog there. Just a common. Lord or Lash of the Balrog. Display of Power. Birthday Escape. And Food is the last card there. So if you guys know anything about Magic or anything about this set, go ahead and let me know in the comments, because I don't know anything about this. I just thought I'd open it and give it a shot and, you know, see what they look like and everything, and they look really cool. We're definitely gonna have to get some more of this. So definitely have to get some more of this. All right, next pack here. They're coming out with Doctor Who cards too. Definitely gonna have to get some of those as well. So open up on the channel as well. What is that? Is that foil? Oh shit, really? Alright, so we got one of those another art cards there. Number 48. Wow. Incredible, man. Alright, so we got Mountain. That's a foil. Why they put the foil on the front? That's weird. That guy there. Mirkwood Bat. That looks cool. Mirkwood Spider. Kingfisher. The Grey Havens. Dauntless Rescuer. Aowen's. Nice. We got Many Partings. I think that's like one of the full art ones. Nice. Legolas. Nice. Horn of the Mark. Then we got a common foil there, and the last card is Tentacle. So I think this land card, this one must be hard to pull, but I'm not really sure. So if you know anything, let me know, please. Please tell me. That looks really cool though in foil. Might have to sleeve that up. Let's sleeve it up. Because it might be good. I don't know. I think it looks really nice, so there we go. Set that in the back. Alright, we still got 5-6 packs to go. Alright, next pack here. Next booster pack here. I'm liking the cards so far. They look really cool. The artwork is just incredible. So We got one of those again. Nice. Number 67. So you got Mountain. That's a non-foil Mountain there. So that one must be special. It must be. Has to be. You got a bow and arrow there. Shower of Arrows. Cool. Shire Scarecrow. The Terrence card again. Reprievine. Faramir. Cool. Rangers. Shortcut to Mushrooms. Dunlin, that guy there. Sauron, the Necromancer. Nice. He's our rare card. Gandalf the Grey, foil card. That's a rare too. That might be good. I don't know. That's sweet though. The last card is Spirit. It's got that gold on the bottom there. What does that mean? See that gold on the bottom there? Wow. Might have to sleeve that up too. I don't know what that means, but that looks really cool. So we got Gandalf the Grey. Full card, rare. We'll have to, man, that looks really awesome. Wow. We still got a whole bunch of packs left. 5 left. Alright, next pack here. Next booster pack here. So I don't know, like I said, I don't know anything about the cards. I was told that they're coming out with Lord of the Rings Magic the Gathering. I'm like, okay, I gotta get some of that. So, wow. Got the Kraken there, nice. There's the back of the card, number 7 of that set there. Cool. Got Island. There's our first card there. Mushroom Watchdog. Snarling Warg. One of the elephants there. Nice. Mirkwood Spider. Mirkwood Bats. Book of Marzabul. Ruling Stewardess. Old Man Widow. Frodo Baggins. Uncommon there. Flame of the West. And Ringwraith's rare card foil there. Then Human Soldier. So I don't think that I think that Gandalf is just a rare foil, and they have that foiling on the middle there, the gold. I don't think that means anything. But if it does, let me know. So you got 4 packs here. Next pack here. Next pack here. These packs they open up pretty easily. Look at that. It just shredded my hands. Alright, so next pack here we got Gimli. Nice. Gimli art there. Sweet. Oh. Got Island there. Nice. Hobbit's Sting. Nice. Pippin's Bravery. Many Partings. Lost to Legend. Wormtongue. Healing House. Frodo Baggins. Just an uncommon there. Nice. Lost Isle Calling. Okay. Smeagol. These are a rare card. Nice. Oh. Display of Power. Grey Havens. Got Orc Army. Cool. We've got 3 packs left. Alright, so next pack here. Alright, next pack here. Another art card here. Who is that? Oh, there we go. I think that's Legolas there. Nice. That is freaking cool. That looks really cool, man. Okay, first card here. Island. Protector of Gondor. Gondor. Stewards of Azeroth. Golem's Bite. Gandalf's Sanction. We got Console. Knights of Dartmouth. Fray of Orcs. Nice. Nazgul. Our rare card is Corrupt Sheriff. Nice. Shire Scarecrow is our foil card there. Our last card is Smog. Alright, next pack. Alright, next pack here. Got one of the ring wraiths there, Lord of the Nazgul. Number 64. Nice. Definitely going to have to collect that whole set too. Yeah, definitely. Got Swamp there. Nice. Smeagol. Captain of Umbar. Survivor. Wasp Pathfinder. Saruman the White. Just an uncommon there. Investigator. Gatebreaker. Goblin Fire Leaper. Murdoch Brandybuck. We got a rare card here of Sharky Tyrant of the Shire. Is our rare. Nice. Mirror of Garladel. It's our last card there, and then just a little insert there. Alright, so last pack here. This is a really awesome release here. So hoping to do more of this on the channel. Hopefully you guys are enjoying it also. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I actually really like it. The last pack here. Hopefully we can get something cool. So we got Gimli there, or not Gimli, I don't know who that is. We got a Mirror Guardian. Interesting. Looks like Gimli. Alright, so we got Island. Dreadful as the Storm. Interesting. Calm the Precious. The Black Breath. Uruk-hai Berserker. That looks sweet. We got Ring Sight. Nice. Fiery Inscription. Bitter Downfall. Orcs. Mines of Moria. Rare card there. Rangers. And Escape from Orgath. Of course, that card there. Alright, so two notable cards that we got were this Gandalf and this Fire Island, or the mountain here. Interesting. This Gandalf is really cool. So, nice one there. Looks really awesome. I like this set. We're probably going to be opening up some more of this on the channel. Definitely. So, go ahead and leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you guys haven't. And hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. So, I'm going to sign off now, and hopefully you guys have a good day. And as always, my name is I Collect. Thank you for watching.